Welcome to 30 Days to Unshakable Confidence. In this transformative journey, I will show you how to unlock the best version of your life in just 30 days. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of purpose, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Confidence isn't just about feeling good, it's about taking action, making decisions, and living a life that truly reflects who you are. Are you ready to crush it and become the person you've always wanted to be? Let's dive in! Confidence is a skill that can be developed, nurtured, and strengthened over time. It's not something you're born with. It's something you build through consistent effort and practice. Throughout this journey, you'll learn techniques and strategies that will help you face your fears, overcome obstacles, and achieve your goals. Whether you're looking to improve your career, relationships, or personal growth, this program is designed to help you succeed. So, get ready to embark on a life-changing adventure that will leave you feeling empowered and unstoppable. The first 10 days are all about building momentum through small wins. These small victories might seem insignificant at first, but they are the foundation of your confidence. Start by setting achievable goals. Maybe it's completing a workout, finishing a task at work, or even just getting out of bed with a positive mindset. Each small win is a step towards a more confident you. Celebrate these moments, no matter how trivial they may seem. Remember, confidence is built one step at a time. During these initial days, it's important to focus on consistency rather than perfection. Don't be too hard on yourself if you stumble or face setbacks. Instead, view these challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Keep a journal to track your progress and jot down your thoughts and feelings. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's friends, family, or inspirational content. The energy you absorb from your environment can significantly impact your confidence levels. Day 1 to 10. Focus on small wins. Complete that workout, finish that task, celebrate every step. These initial days are crucial because they set the tone for the rest of your journey. By focusing on small, manageable tasks, you create a habit of success. This habit will become the backbone of your confidence. It's not about making huge leaps, it's about consistent, daily progress. Each day, write down your achievements no matter how small, reflect on them, and acknowledge your growth. This practice will reinforce your belief in your abilities. As you move through these days, you'll start to notice a shift in your mindset. The small wins will begin to add up, creating a sense of accomplishment and pride. This positive reinforcement will motivate you to keep pushing forward. Remember, the journey to unshakable confidence is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one day at a time and don't rush the process. Trust that each step you take is bringing you closer to your ultimate goal. Day 11 to 20. Time to step up. Now that you've built a foundation of small wins, it's time to challenge yourself further. Speak confidently in meetings, present on stage, feel the growth. These days are about pushing your boundaries and stepping out of your comfort zone. It's natural to feel nervous, but remember, growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Embrace the discomfort and use it as a stepping stone to greater confidence. Practice speaking in front of a mirror, join a public speaking group, or volunteer to lead a project at work. The more you put yourself out there, the more your confidence will grow. During this phase, it's crucial to stay committed and persistent. You might face moments of doubt or fear, but don't let them hold you back. Visualize your success and remind yourself of the progress you've already made. Seek feedback from others and use it constructively to improve. Celebrate your courage and resilience and keep pushing your limits. The more you challenge yourself, the more you'll realize your true potential. This is your time to shine, so embrace every opportunity to grow and excel. Day 21 to 30, you're unstoppable now. Run that marathon, launch that business, achieve your goals. Confidence is built daily. Start now. These final days are about solidifying your newfound confidence and taking bold actions. By now, you should feel a significant shift in your mindset and abilities. Use this momentum to tackle bigger challenges and pursue your dreams. Whether it's running a marathon, starting a business, or achieving a personal goal, believe in yourself and your capabilities. Confidence is not a destination, it's a journey. Keep pushing forward, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to the best version of yourself. Start now and embrace the journey to unshakable confidence. As you reach the end of this 30-day journey, take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. Acknowledge the hard work, dedication, and perseverance that have brought you to this point. Share your success with others and inspire them to embark on their own journey to confidence. Remember, the skills and habits you've developed over these 30 days are just the beginning. Continue to nurture and grow your confidence every day. Stay committed to your goals, keep challenging yourself, and never stop believing in your potential. The journey to unshakable confidence is ongoing, and with each step, you'll continue to unlock new levels of success and fulfillment.